African eggplants, also known as aubergines, belong to the nightshade family of plants and are used in many different dishes around the world. Although often considered a vegetable, they're technically a fruit, as they grow from a flowering plant and contain seeds. There are many varieties that range in size and color. And while eggplants with a deep purple skin are most common, they can be red, green or even black. Without any further ado, let's see some of its health benefits. Number 1. It has a great source of vitamins and minerals. The vitamin and mineral content of eggplants is quite extensive. They're a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, thiamine, niacin, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, copper, fiber, folic acid, potassium, and more. Number 2. Helps with digestion. The high fiber content in eggplants, which is a crucial element to maintaining a balanced diet, is a great way to improve your gastrointestinal health. This means that when you've gotta go, eating eggplant regularly will help everything move along smoothly. Number 3. Improves heart health. The fiber in eggplants does more than just aid in the digestion process, it also helps to improve your heart health. This is because fiber reduces the amount of cholesterol that your body absorbs by binding it with your digestive system's bile so that your body naturally gets rid of it. Number 4. Prevents cancer. Antioxidants are one of the human body's best defenses against diseases like cancer, as well as many other potential infections. One of the many benefits of eating eggplant is that you are also ingesting the natural antioxidant, manganese. By having a high level of antioxidants like manganese in your body, it will help ensure that your organs are protected. Number 5. Improves bone health. The unique coloration of an eggplant is more useful than simply being pretty to look at. The natural plant compounds that create this coloration have actually been linked to reduced osteoporosis, stronger bones, and even increased bone density. Additionally, the iron and calcium found in eggplants are crucial in improving and preserving overall bone health. Number 6. Prevents anemia. Not getting enough iron in your diet can be very dangerous to your health. In some cases, iron deficiency can result in anemia, which is characterized by a general feeling of tiredness and weakness caused by not having enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout your body. Eating foods like eggplant that are high in iron can help combat health conditions like anemia. Number 7. Increases brain function. Eggplants are rich in natural chemicals called phytonutrients, which have been known to improve mental health. This benefit is a result of increased blood flow throughout the body and into the brain. By delivering more blood to the brain, phytonutrients help boost memory by stimulating your neural pathways to develop.